This tutorial is a quick guide to the citation system of the Chicago Manual of Style. There are two variations of this citation style, author date and Notes and Bibliography. Author date is usually used in the physical, natural, and social sciences. In the humanities, however, writers prefer the Notes and Bibliography variation. That's what this brief video is about. In this variation, the in-text citations consist of only numbers, which appear after the passages in the text that each citation refers to. These numbers refer the reader to the correspondingly numbered footnotes at the bottom of the page, or endnotes at the end of the document. These notes usually provide only the shortened version of the citation, with the full details of each work available in the bibliography. Here's how to make the forms. The long form in a note begins with the author's full names. These appear in normal order: first name, middle initial, last name. If there are 1 to 3 authors, all of their names are listed. If there are 4 authors, or more, the first author's name is listed followed by et al. The elements of the citation are separated by commas, so a comma appears next. Then comes the full title, with adjectives and nouns capitalized headline style. If you're citing a smaller work like a chapter or an article, the title appears in quotation marks. But if you're citing a larger work like a book, the title is given in italics and without quotation marks. Then the publication information appears in the form of place, publisher's name, year, in parentheses. Remember that no punctuation appears between the title and the publication information other than the opening parenthesis, but a comma does appear after the closing parenthesis. The last element is the page number or page range that you are citing to, with no letters of any kind, only numbers. A period then ends the entire citation. The short form in a note has only enough information to remind readers of the full title, or to lead them to the right bibliography entry. The short form authors' names follow identical rules to the long form authors' names, except that only the last names are given, not the full names. An author's first name or initial is included only if he or she shares a last name with one or more other authors cited in your paper. A comma comes next, and after that comes the title of the work, which is usually shortened if it's more than 4 words long. When you're shortening it, remember never to change the order of the words. An initial or the in the title is usually left off. Finally, the page numbers are given just like in the long form note. A bibliography entry begins with all the author's full names. However, unlike in the long form note, the first author's name is given in inverted form: last name, first name, middle initial, with subsequent authors' names given in the normal way. Then a period appears. In a bibliography entry, all the elements are separated by periods, not commas. The title is given following the same rules used in a long form note, and after another period, the publication information is given also following the long form note rules, except that there are no parentheses. Page numbers are not given in a bibliography entry. In all cases, if the author of a cited work is unknown, the citation begins with the title. There are many other rules, and if you want a quick reference to them, pause this video and copy down the following URL. And that's it.